2008 Ford Ranger extended cab sport package, one owner, 90,000 miles. Amazingly clean truck, one owner, Texas truck, rust free, in gorgeous condition. Running boards, aftermarket wheels and new tires, sport package, sliding rear window, tow package. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. For an 08, unbelievably clean. It is running. Truck needs nothing. Fog lamps. Cloth seats are in amazing condition. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. One owner Carfax. We've done our 125-point inspection. It needs nothing. Extended cab with jump seats. $91,000 miles. (2008) Ford Ranger Sport extended cab, one owner, 91,000 miles, two-wheel drive, in absolutely amazing condition.